Whether you're measuring social impact in the field, monitoring your carbon credit portfolio, or identifying the next big market trend, your data is only as valuable as your ability to use it effectively. Power BI gives you the tools to visualize that data through real-time dashboards and key performance indicators. And by integrating SurveyCTO with Power BI, you replace manual data exports and imports with a seamless automated pipeline. This ensures your field data flows directly into your dashboards with no manual entry, eliminating human error and reducing the time it takes to get from a survey response to a business critical decision. In this video, we'll show you how to set up the SurveyCTO Power BI integration so you can access live data and better visualization and analysis even while your team is still active in the field. Let's build your automated reporting pipeline together. Log into Power BI. You will be automatically brought to the home page. Next, click Create in the left side navigation. Then click Get Data. In the options that pop up, click Other, Web API. You will then be brought to a screen that shows settings for you to connect to a data source. In connection settings, in the URL field, paste your SurveyCTO API endpoint. This is the connection that pulls your live survey data directly into Power BI. Now, instead of exporting files manually, Power BI will query your server automatically and retrieve the latest submissions. Give your connection a relevant name. Then leave Data Gateway as is. In Authentication Kind drop-down, select Basic and enter your SurveyCTO credentials. This ensures secure access to your data while allowing Power BI to refresh data automatically in the background. Remember, make sure the login credentials you are using has Allow Server API Access permissions. You can enable this in the Configure tab of your Server console and in the User Roles and Permissions section. You should also specify the appropriate privacy level necessary for your connection. This is particularly important to set if you want to prevent the risk of sending data from Power BI to external platforms. For now, let's leave it as none. Once you finish setting this up, click Next. Once connected, your data will load instantly. With SurveyCTO Power BI integration, you can eliminate the manual effort it takes to export, clean, and upload survey data before building your dashboard. Now, survey responses can flow smoothly into Power BI dashboards for immediate insights. Ready to build a seamless data pipeline from collection to visualization and analysis? Reach out to our team today to see how you can set up the SurveyCTO Power BI integration.